Opale ironing table. The Opale ironing table is the ideal complement for those who already have a steam iron with boiler. Easy to store and maneuver, whether open or closed, thanks to its wheels. Height adjustable in 9 different positions with safety lock. Support for the placement of your boiler and iron. Includes heating on the ironing board. Includes automatically activated suction and insufflation functions by placing the iron in the bracket or using the switch in continuous. Extra accessories: sleeve board, learn more at www.purevapo.pt.